Learn English to Gujarati research terms, confidence interval 2.
विश्वासंतराल.
Welcome to the data circus. Hey, you're about to learn some serious research vocabulary without sounding like a sleepy textbook. We will keep it smart, useful, and just ridiculous enough to stay in your memory. Imagine you walk into a grand circus run by statisticians. Yes, statisticians. The clowns are arguing about numbers, the ringmaster is holding a calculator like it is a royal scepter, and a worried data point is wearing a helmet for safety. Your mission is simple: learn 8 powerful Gujarati terms. When the ringmaster shouts confidence interval, you answer
विश्वासंतराल.
When the acrobat yells significance level, you calmly reply
महत्वस्तर.
When the strongman flexes effect size, you say
असरનું માપ.
Then come the crowd words. Sample is
નમૂનો.
and population is.
વસ્તી.
In the science tent, control group becomes.
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
Randomization is.
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
And distortion is.
વિકૃતિ.
Congratulations. You are now officially more dangerous at bilingual statistics. Meet the 8 troublemakers. Let's meet each word like it is a character in a very nerdy comedy. If one of them tries to escape, just point at it with academic confidence. Confidence interval is.
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
Think of it as a safety fence around an estimate. A nervous number says, "Please do not leave me alone out here." The professor replies, "Relax, I brought you a."
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
Single quote. Significance level is.
મહત્વસ્તર.
This is the bouncer at the statistics club. If your result does not meet the rule, it does not get in. Very strict. Possibly wearing tiny glasses. Effect size is.
અસરનું માપ.
This word asks, fine, your result exists, but is it actually a big deal? It is the drama meter of research. Sample is.
નમૂનો.
This is one small part representing a bigger whole. Like one spoonful of soup before you commit to the entire pot. Population is.
વસ્તી.
This means the whole group, the whole crowd, everybody. Not just your cousin and one confused pigeon. Control group is.
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
This is the group that stays unchanged so researchers can compare fairly. They are basically the responsible adults of the experiment. Randomization is.
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
It means assignment by chance. A fair shuffle. A scientific way of saying, let destiny pick, but with methodology. Distortion is.
વિકૃતિ.
This is when sound, image, or even judgment gets bent out of shape. Like a selfie filter designed by a mischievous goblin. Tiny story, big memory. Now listen to a short story and let the words stick naturally. Your brain loves stories, especially when they are a little silly. A young researcher enters the University of Mild Panic with a notebook, 3 pens, and absolutely no emotional preparedness. First, she collects a.
નમૂનો.
Just a sample, from a much larger.
વસ્તી.
She knows she cannot interview the entire planet before lunch. Then she splits participants using.
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
Nobody complains, except one participant who wanted to be assigned by horoscope. One team gets the treatment. The other becomes the noble.
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
They receive no exciting change, but they do receive the honor of making the experiment trustworthy. After analysis, our researcher reports the.
અસરનું માપ.
Because a result can be statistically real and still have the impact of a sleepy potato. She also sets the.
મહત્વસ્તર.
Before testing, because science likes rules more than chaos likes glitter. Finally, she presents the estimate together with a.
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
The audience nods. One professor cries with joy. But then an ancient microphone adds horrible.
વિકૃતિ.
And her brilliant speech sounds like a robot trapped in a saucepan. Still, the vocabulary survives. Quick drill time. Your turn. Say the Gujarati term after the English one. Do not worry about perfection, just jump in and sound brave. Confidence interval.
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
Significance level.
મહત્વસ્તર.
Effect size.
અસરનું માપ.
Sample.
નમૂનો.
Population.
વસ્તી.
Control group.
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
Randomization.
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
Distortion.
વિકૃતિ.
Mini dialogue in the lab. Here is a playful dialogue. Listen once, then read it aloud like you are starring in a very low-budget science drama. Researcher A. Did you study the whole population? Researcher B. Not the whole.
વસ્તી.
Only A.
નમૂનો.
Researcher A. Good. Did you assign people fairly? Researcher B. Yes, by.
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
No coin was emotionally manipulated. Researcher A. Excellent. Was there a control group? Researcher B. Of course, a proper.
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
They were magnificently unchanged. Researcher A. And what about the significance level? Researcher B. We set the
મહત્વસ્તર.
before testing. Researcher A. Nice. Did you report the effect size? Researcher B. Yes, the
અસરનું માપ.
2. We respect meaningful differences in this house. Researcher A. And the confidence interval? Researcher B. Also included.
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
We do not abandon our estimates. Researcher A. Then why does your presentation sound haunted? Researcher B. Audio.
વિકૃતિ.
The microphone chose violence. Memory tricks that actually help. Let's make the words easier to keep. You do not need magic, but honestly, magic would be nice. 4.
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
Picture a number wrapped in a glowing safety blanket. Confidence plus interval, all cozy and protected. 4.
મહત્વસ્તર.
Imagine a strict gate marked 0.05. Some results get in, others are politely told, not today. 4.
અસરનું માપ.
Imagine a giant ruler measuring how dramatic the result really is. 4.
નમૂનો.
Imagine tasting 1 spoon of curry before ordering the giant family meal. 4.
વસ્તી.
Imagine a whole city waving at you from a map. 4.
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
Imagine one lab group sitting very still and feeling morally superior. 4.
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
Imagine cards shuffling themselves in the air. 4.
વિકૃતિ.
Imagine a carnival mirror turning your face into abstract art. Fast quiz, no academic panic. Time for a quick check. Answer out loud before the answer appears. If you get one wrong, the statistics police will not come for you. What is the Gujarati term for confidence interval?
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
What is the Gujarati term for significance level?
મહત્વસ્તર.
What is the Gujarati term for effect size?
અસરનું માપ.
What is the Gujarati term for sample?
નમૂનો.
What is the Gujarati term for population?
વસ્તી.
What is the Gujarati term for control group?
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
What is the Gujarati term for randomization?
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
What is the Gujarati term for distortion?
વિકૃતિ.
Wrap up and keep going. You did great. Seriously, you just learned academic Gujarati vocabulary that can make research papers, lectures, and study sessions much less mysterious. Today you practiced confidence interval as,
વિશ્વાસંતરાલ.
significance level as,
મહત્વસ્તર.
effect size as,
અસરનું માપ.
sample as,
નમૂનો.
population as,
વસ્તી.
control group as,
નિયંત્રણ જૂથ.
randomization as,
યાદૃચ્છીકરણ.
and distortion as.
વિકૃતિ.
Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing out loud, revisit the funny images, and use the words in your own sentences. The more you repeat them, the more natural they will feel. See you in the next chapter, and may your data be clear, your microphone behave, and your
વિકૃતિ.
stay far away.